Welcome, e commerce enthusiast, to another episode of E commerce Talk with Webby. Today, we delve into the foundation of your online success, selecting the right e commerce platform. I'm your host, Shubham, and throughout this episode, we'll explore key considerations to ensure you choose the perfect platform for your business. So let's face it, with a plethora of e commerce platforms available, the selection process can feel overwhelming. But fear not. By focusing on crucial factors, we can simplify your journey. So, the first factor that you need to keep in mind is your products take the center stage. The type of products that you are selling significantly influences your platform needs. For instance, physical products require robust inventory management, while digital downloads might prioritize secure file delivery and subscriptions. Knowing your product category is the first step towards choosing a platform with the functionalities you need. Factor 2, you need to keep your budget in mind. E-commerce platforms offer various pricing model. Some free plans with limitations, some monthly subscriptions or transaction fees. Be realistic about your financial resources. Aim for a platform that aligns with your budget without compromising essential features. Remember, scalability is the key. The factor 3 will be scaling for success. Imagine your dream scenario, which will be exploding sales and a booming business. Your platform shouldn't hinder that growth. Choose a platform that scales alongside your success, accommodating an increasing product catalog and a growing customer base. Factor 4, and a very important factor, is security. Building trust is a paramount. Your customers entrust you with sensitive information. Make sure your platform prioritizes security with features like secure payment gateways and customer data encryption. Building trust fosters customer loyalty and repeat business. Factor 5, navigating with ease, which means user friendliness matters the most. You will be spending a significant amount of time managing your online store. So, you need to look for a platform with a very user friendly interface, which is very easy to navigate even for non technical users. Many platforms offer free trials. Take advantage of them. Test the interface, see if it feels intuitive to you, if it is easier to use for you or not. So, yes, take advantage of the free trials. Factor 6, identifying your must have features. Make a list of the features that you want that your platform should have, and that should be the must have features in your list. It can be, do you need some built in marketing tools or you need some advanced analytics? So you need to identify your essential features and ensure you choose a platform that empowers your specific business needs. Then it comes to empowering your choice, the WebB advantage. At WebB, we understand the importance of choosing the right platform for you. So we partner with the leading e-commerce solutions like Shopify, Amazon, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, Walmart, and many more, so that we can help businesses to make the right choice while choosing the right platform for their e-commerce business. So Webby's expertise doesn't even lie into making the choice for the businesses about the right platforms. The WebBee's expertise lies in integrations. We seamlessly integrate your chosen e-commerce platform with other essential business systems such as fulfillment services and even your ERP systems. This creates a unified ecosystem, streamlining all your operations and maximizing efficiency because you don't have to repeatedly do the same task again. We take care of those. Remember, there's no one size fits all solution. Extensive research, comparing features, and utilizing free trials are very crucial steps in choosing the perfect platform for you. Here at WebBee, we are happy to be a resource for this critical decision. So you can visit our website webbeeglobal.com to access some valuable resources and connect with our e-commerce experts. We can help you to navigate platform selection and ensure a smooth launch for your online business by seamlessly making use of our integrators so that the fulfillment and the ERP systems are no more a hassle for you, and you tend to focus on your business activities and tend to grow your business to new heights. Thank you so much. Here Shubham signing off. Thank you.